Time for some frosty jokes. Why did the snowman go to school? To get a little more snow ledge. What do you call a snowman in summer? A puddle. What does Santa drink at Christmas? H2O.
Ho, 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 ho.
What did one snowflake say to the other when they fell in love? You're one in snow-million flakes. Do you know that no two snowflakes are exactly alike? Each snowflake is unique. As a snowflake falls, it encounters different temperatures and humidity levels, freezing water vapor into ice crystals. They bypass the liquid phase, forming the various intricate branches and shapes that make up the final snowflake, which differs from how regular ice forms. The crystal structure of a snowflake is based on the molecular arrangement of water molecules into a hexagonal, six-sided pattern.